Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something you've probably heard a lot about lately: intermittent fasting. It's a hot topic for a reason, so let's break down how intermittent fasting affects your body in just 3 minutes. First up, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet, but an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. Common methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2. So, what happens to your body during fasting? As you stop eating, your insulin levels drop, which signals your body to start burning stored fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss and improved metabolic health. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Pretty cool, right? Next, let's talk about cellular repair. During fasting, your cells initiate a process called autophagy. This is your body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. Think of it as a natural detox for your cells. This process can help protect against diseases and even extend your lifespan. But that's not all. Intermittent fasting can also boost your brain health. It increases the production of a protein called BDNF, which supports brain function and encourages the growth of new nerve cells. Some studies suggest it may even protect against Alzheimer's disease. A healthy body and a sharp mind sounds like a win-win. Now you might be wondering about exercise. Can you work out while fasting? Absolutely. In fact, fasted workouts can enhance fat burning and improve muscle endurance. Just make sure to listen to your body and stay hydrated. But remember, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new eating regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. So, there you have it. Intermittent fasting can transform your body by promoting weight loss, improving metabolic health, aiding cellular repair, and boosting brain function. Sounds like a powerhouse of benefits, right? If you found this info helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.